I have the most awesome color palette today that I've been wanting to try out with a ring pour. So let me know what you think. Black and white, fluorescent yellow and fluorescent orange, fluorescent red and fluorescent silver. I mean, it's just silver. And a gold glitter paint that dries glittery. Watch. All right, here is my split cup with 7 slots, and I have 7 different colors. This is a pretty big canvas. This is a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. Let's get started. Okay, so when doing a ring pour with a split cup, first thing I like to do is put each color in its separate slot. Okay, reason being, after we do the first layer, I want to see which colors are going to stand out more and which ones hide, and that will help me determine how I'm going to fill my cup later on throughout the painting. Okay. So much you can do with ring pours. It's difficult to mess up. And if you do, you just pour right over it. Okay, now that I've done my first layer, I can see that that's way too much black. Okay, so I'm going to do one slot less black, and I think I might put a little extra yellow in it this time. Okay, and let's start again. Ring pours sometimes could be challenging, but the good thing is that there's a lot of wiggle room to correct mistakes. Okay, and actually, I'm gonna put, instead of the yellow, I'm gonna put the white in that last slot. Okay, let's go. And I'm gonna start from the outside and work my way in. Okay, and I'm gonna skip the red just for this time. Okay. Okay, so right now as I'm looking at this composition, I'm not crazy about it because it seems like the silver and the black is overtaking all the other colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go full force with all the colors that will show, and I'm going to add the glitter in this one, and then we'll take it from there. Little bit of strategy involved with the ring pours. And this right here is my glitter paint. Should turn out pretty cool. All right, so I only got 4 of the slots filled. Okay, and let's start again. I'm loving what is going on in the center right there. And some of that black is coming out right now, which is the perfect amount. So what I'm going to do to get a little bit more of the black this time, I'm probably going to do just about half a slot. Just a little bit. All right, let's go. I'm going to go clockwise this time. So that gold glitter paint that I use is actually going to dry clear and then with gold glitter. So whatever colors are underneath that acrylic glitter paint that I'm using, those colors are going to show, and it's going to have a layer of glitter over it when it is fully dry. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scoop out whatever paint I have left in these cups. All the black and the silver, I'm going to save that for the end, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay, here's my glitter paint. Okay, and I am going to do just a touch of the black, just a little bit, because that is what's going to make the colors stand out. All right, now that I have an idea of what the composition is going to turn out like, and knowing that my black overtook everything, I'm just going to use the black. I'm going to put it around the edges. And this is what's going to help the rest of the composition tilt off. Okay. By the way, all the colors that I've used will be in the description of this video. All right, now for the fun part. Okay, I'm going to tilt corner to corner. I want to cover up as much of the canvas as I can first without tilting too much off, because that way I can get an idea of the entire composition and then make any adjustments. And this is what I love about ring pours. Everything ends up, all the colors that were hidden end up showing up. Okay, I'm gonna go back to center. Okay. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the silver now because I had plenty of that. I'm just going to get all the edges here. All right, let's continue. Almost there. Okay, at this point, I'm actually very happy with the composition. I love some of the patterns that were created. I love how the center starts black and then, bam, bursts of color around the sides. And I cannot wait for that gold glitter to dry. Please stay tuned for the finished dried result. And here is the finished, dried, but not yet varnished result. And you can see how the glitter paint dried and left glittery lines all over the composition. I'm definitely going to resin this one in a couple weeks once it fully cures. As always, thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, feedback, insults, or pictures of adorable kittens, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments section. Until next time, bye!